Welcome to Pontypridd, home of bards and of singers, of icons and industry, where Thomas John Woodford became Jones the Voice, and the Welsh national anthem was born on the banks of the River Rhondda. The iconic Old Bridge is a true feat of 18th century architecture. Marvel at its bowed shape and the wonderful 3 circular holes at either end. It's well worth a visit if you're in town. Once one of the busiest railway stations in the world, Pontypridd helped play its part in ferrying the black gold cut from the coal mines of the Rhondda valleys to Cardiff docks and the world. One of the loveliest places to swim in South Wales is Pontypridd's fully refurbished 1920s swimming pool. Take a stroll through Ynys Angharad Park and visit the father and son team who wrote one of our most famous songs. When Father Evan James decided to write some heartfelt and patriotic lyrics to his son's tune Glan Rhondda, they had a hit on their hands. But when rugby player Teddy Morgan decided to lead the crowd in song at Cardiff Arms Park, our national anthem was born. Clwb y Bont is a hub for Welsh culture in Pontypridd. Frequented by local Welsh speakers, you're sure to receive a warm welcome if you spark up a conversation over a glass of the local ale. The Italians came to South Wales at the end of the 19th century from the Apennine Mountains, and their legacy is still to be seen here today. Why not finish your visit to Ponty with a trip to their fantastic market, where you can shop for local produce or eat at one of their award-winning stalls. Whatever you do in Ponty, you're sure to have a brilliant time.